What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to set up and maximize profits using the Bybit trading bot. Okay, so this doesn't matter if you're a beginner trader or an expert. All right, this is basically going to be a step-by-step guide on how to automate your trades using the Bybit trading bot, which can help you manage your risk and thereby making you earn passively while you sleep, guys. Okay, so make sure you stick with me all through this video, guys. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is We Don't TV, and what we do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever We Don't TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourself right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Google Docs page right now. So before we go into a practical trade on how to maximize profit using the Bybit Aurora trading bot, you first of all need to know the theoretical aspect on how everything works, guys. Okay, remember, this is going to be a step-by-step video showing you exactly how you can maximize profit trading using the Bybit Aurora trading bot. Okay, so now, guys, this is basically a Bybit trading bot live tutorial, and the area of concentration today is going to be on spot grid and the DCA bots. Okay, so first of all, what is spot grid? So it says that spot grid is a trading strategy that involves placing buy and sell orders at predetermined price intervals or grids within a specific price range. The bot buys at the lower end of the grid and sells at the higher end, profiting from the price fluctuations within the defined range. All right. So the next right here talks about how spot grid works. Okay. So the first right here says define price range, and it says the trader set a price range for the grid, specifying the upper and lower bounds. And the second right here talks about grid intervals, and it says that the bot divides the price range into smaller intervals or grids and places buy and sell orders at each interval. All right. So the third right here talks about buy and sell orders, and it says when the market price reaches a buy order, the bot buys the asset. When the market price reaches a sell order, the bot sells the asset. Okay. So lastly, right here talks about repeat process, and it says that the bot continues to buy and sell within the defined price range, profiting from the price fluctuations. Okay. So I hope you now understand how the spot grid works. All right. So next right here talks about the risk and considerations, and it says the very first right here is the market volatility, and it says spot grid may not perform well in highly volatile markets where prices may break out of the defined range. Okay, so next right here talks about liquidity, and it says insufficient liquidity can result in failed trades or significant price slippage. All right, so the next right here is the parameter optimization, and it talks about traders need to optimize the bot parameters such as grid size and price range to suit the market conditions. Okay, so guys, this is basically all you need to know about the spot grid. Okay, so I believe you now know what spot grid is and how the spot grid works, and as well the risk and considerations to actually take note of while trading the spot grid bot, guys. All right, so the next right now would be, what is the DCA bot? Okay, so guys, a DCA, which is a dollar cost averaging bot, is a type of trading bot that automates the process of buying or selling a fixed amount of cryptocurrency at regular intervals, regardless of the market price. Okay, so the next right here is how the DCA bot works. So the first right here talks about fixed amount, and it says that the trader sets a fixed amount of cryptocurrency to buy or sell at each interval. So the next right here talks about regular intervals, and it says the bot buys or sells the fixed amount of cryptocurrency at predetermined intervals, such as every hour, day, or week. Okay, don't worry, we're going to be doing all this practically so you guys can see exactly how it works. Okay, we're going to go live on this trading so you guys can know how to place trades and how to actually maximize profits. All right, so Teddy right here talks about regardless of price, the bot executes trades regardless of the current market price, reducing the impact of market volatility. All right, so now let's look at the benefits of the DCA bot. So number one right here talks about reduce volatility risk, and it says DCA helps reduce the risk of market volatility by averaging out the cost of investment over time. All right, so next right here talks about disciplined investing, and it says the bot enforces a disciplined investment strategy, helping traders avoid impulsive decisions based on emotions. All right. So remember, this is a bot and it has no emotions whatsoever. It does exactly as instructed. Okay. So that is the reason why it makes disciplined investment strategy. All right. So next right here talks about long-term focus, and it says DCA is suitable for long-term investors who want to accumulate or reduce their cryptocurrency holdings over time. All right. So next right here talks about types of DCA bots, and it says the first right here is actually the buy DCA. So this buys a fixed amount of cryptocurrency at regular intervals. All right. And the sell DCA sells a fixed amount of cryptocurrency at regular intervals. All right. So the next is actually the customizable, and it says some DCA bots allows traders to customize parameters such as interval frequency, amount, and price limits. Okay. So the next right here talks about considerations, and the first lookout right here is actually the market conditions. And it says that DCA bots may not perform well in extreme market conditions such as rapid price movements or liquidity issues. All right. So the next right here talks about the fees, and it says traders should consider the fees associated with each trade as they can impact the overall performance of the DCA strategy. All right. So the next right here talks about monitoring, and it says while DCA bots automate trading, it's essential to monitor their performance and adjust parameters as needed. All right. So guys, make sure to take note of all these considerations right here, so you actually know exactly what you'll be doing while trading the DCA bot. All right. So overall, guys, DCA bot can be a useful tool for traders who want to implement a disciplined long-term investment strategy in cryptocurrency markets. Okay. So guys, this is basically all you need to know about the DCA bot. Okay. So now that you know the theoretical aspect on how everything works right here, now let's go see how it works practically, guys. Okay, so let's go. Boom, guys. So here we are on my Bybit account dashboard right now. So before you can start trading right here on Bybit using the Bybit Aurora trading bot, you first of all need to have a verified Bybit account. Okay, so guys, how can you actually get a verified Bybit account? I'm going to make things super easy for you guys by leaving a link to actually register on Bybit on this video description, and it's also going to be on my Telegram channel, guys. Okay, so all you just simply need to do is go over there, hit on the link, sign up. So when you're actually done signing up, you simply go over to the Google Play Store to download the Bybit app, either on your Apple device or your Android device. All right. So when you're actually done with that, the next step would be verifying your Bybit account. All right. So how can you verify your Bybit account? You can simply come up here that actually shows this human icon. Okay. And then you simply hit on the space right here that says verified. Okay. Mine is showing verified right here because my account is already verified, but for your case, it's going to be telling you to verify. Okay. So all you simply need to do is you hit on the verify button, and then you actually present the documents that will be required for your verification, guys. Okay. So when you're actually done with that, your account gets verified, and boom, guys, the next step would be funding your account. Okay. So mind you, there are actually two ways to fund your account. The first way is using the Bybit P2P, guys. Okay. If I actually hit on P2P right here, it's going to load up. Okay, so as you can see, there are traders right here who are actually buying and selling USDT. So all you simply need to do is buy USDT, and boom, guys, you can start trading using the trading bots. Okay, but I must warn you for something while using the P2P. If I actually hit on this place down below here that says orders right now, okay, you would see that I'm currently appealing an order of 23,000 naira. Okay, so guys, what happened is that I was the one selling and he was the one buying. Okay, so I actually released the crypto to him after he sent me 23,629 naira. Okay, so this trade happened on the 17th of June, and today is actually 24th. All right. So guys, what happened was I felt we had a successful trade until this very person actually went to his bank. I don't know what he did. My money started deducting from my account. So the person successfully manipulated my account and took back 23,629. Okay. So guys, based on the fact that I'm a technical person, I went back to Bybit, did some appeal and all of that. So currently this trade is still on appeal, and my money 23,629 is gone from my account, guys. Okay. So that is why trading P2P is somewhat risky, guys. Okay. You need to be careful how you trade right here. If you're actually a beginner, you are going to get scammed. This is no BS, guys. You are definitely going to get scammed. And I also want you guys to take note of this particular name right here called Remat Enterprise. This person is actually a big time scammer, and you should be aware of this. All right. So the second way to actually fund your account is through using the PayTzar crypto trading group, guys. Okay. So this group is actually powered by Don Camps TV. Transactions right there on the group are actually fast and reliable, 100% secured. Okay. So you just simply need to contact on the group, and boom, guys, they are going to credit your account depending on what you actually want to buy. All right. So the link to the PayTzar crypto trading group is going to be on this video description, guys. All right. So that is it. So when you're actually done funding your account, guys, the next step would be coming over to this place right here called trading bots. Okay. So mind you, you might not see this option of trading bots right here on your dashboard. So if you actually don't see it on your dashboard, all you simply do is hit on this place right here that says more. All right. So when you hit on more, you simply hit on the search bar right here and just type in trading bot. All right. So I'm going to do that right now, guys. I'm going to hit on it and just type in trading. Okay. But as you can see, this is a trading bot right here. So I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay. So here we are. So what you simply do is exit this pop-up right here, guys. All right. So here we are. So as you can see, it says futures grid, futures martingale, futures combo, spot grid, and DCA. All right. So guys, our focus, like we said previously, is going to be on the spot grid and the DCA bots. All right. So guys, we're first of all going to check out how you can set up the spot grid trading bots before we actually move over to the DCA. All right. So I'm going to hit on spot grid right here, guys. Here we are. So least I forget, guys, when you're actually done funding your account with USDT, the next step would be for you to actually transfer the money from spot account to funding account. Okay. Because you can't actually trade without your balance being on the funding account. So that is basically how it is. So before the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer from your spot account to your funding account. All right. So guys, before we proceed, if you're actually getting value from this video so far, don't hesitate to actually smash on that subscribe button right now for your boy, and as well turn on the bell icon to always get notified whenever amazing videos like this have been uploaded right here on this channel, guys. Okay, so that aside, okay, so guys, here we are on the spot grid trading section right now. So right here on my left talks about the AI strategy, and the next right here on my right talks about the manual. Okay, so right here on the AI strategy, as you can see, the AI is going to be the one to, predetermine your trade for you. Okay, as you can see right here, it gives you a price range for ton USDT. So mind you guys, you can actually select whatsoever crypto you want to use for trading. So up here says ton USDT. If you actually want to select some other crypto, all you simply do is hit on it and just find your pair. Okay, so you just simply hit on the search bar right here, and let's say we actually want to trade using BTC/USDT. You just simply input BTC/USDT. Okay, so as you can see, this is it down below here. So I'm going to hit on it, guys. Boom. So as you can see right here, the bot gives you a price range. So this means that the bot is going to buy when BTC reaches 98,000 and sell when it actually reaches 112,000 USDT, as you can see right here. Okay, so the grid right here actually 15. So this means that the price range was divided into 15 intervals or grids, guys. Okay, so the next right here is interval, and the interval is 933.1 USDT. Okay, so this actually means that the bot takes profit for us after every 933.1 USDT, guys. All right, so that is basically what this means. And the next right here talks about the profit and grid. Okay, so as you can see right here, the profit is actually around 0.83% to 0.95%. All right, so this means for every grid, you make the sum of 0.83% to 0.95% profit. All right. So the next right here talks about the grid profit ratio. Okay, so the grid profit ratio is around 2.77% to 33.7% APR, guys. All right. Okay, so the next right here talks about the drawdown ratio, which is around 5.45%. And this actually has to do with the loss tolerance. All right. So down below here talks about the volatility ratio, and it says that is around 38.84%, guys. So the volatility ratio has to do with the degree of price fluctuations, guys. Okay, so that is basically what it means. So let's say you actually want to enter this trade right now. All you simply do is impute the amount you actually want to use for this trade. Okay, so as you can see right here, guys, the minimum amount you can actually use to enter this trade right now is 258.8 USDT. All right. So as you can see, I currently have a balance of 100 USDT, so I can't enter this trade right now, guys. All right. So let's say you actually have this amount of USDT right here. All you simply do is impute it right here. And then you can also go further by setting your trading stop right here. As you can see, it says recommended. Okay. So a trailing stop is a type of stop loss order that automatically adjusts to lock in profit as the prices moves in a favorable direction. Okay, so you can set your trailing stop when you are taking a long position or a short position. All right, so as we all know, long positions actually means that you're actually predicting that the market is going to go high. Okay, while short positions means that you are predicting that the market is going down. All right, so that is basically what it is. So when you are setting trailing stop loss on a long position, you should set it below the market price. And when you are setting for a short position, you should set it above the market price. Okay, so that is basically how you can do this. All right. So you can simply adjust your trailing stop right here according to your risk tolerance and as well your analysis. All right, so that is it. So when you're actually done with all of that, you just simply hit on the create now button down below here, guys. Okay, so this is basically how you can use the AI strategy on spot grid. Okay, so the next right here is actually the manual. So if I actually hit on manual right here, manual has to do with you setting up the price yourself. Okay, as you can see, you can easily set the price range you want for yourself by just manipulating it right here to any price you want. Okay, so let's say you want to buy BTC when it gets down to $97,000. You just simply impute 97,000 right here, guys. Okay, so that is it. And then let's say you want to sell when BTC goes up to $110,000. Okay, you just simply impute it right here. You just tell the bot what to do, guys. Right, so over here that says grids, you just simply impute the number of grids you want. So guys, the lower the grids, the lower the amount you'll be using for trading and the higher profit you get. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So let's say we actually want to set our grids to be, let's say 9. Okay, so as you can see, for this trade I'll be spending the sum of 87 USDT, and my profit is going to be 1.33% to 1.48%. Okay, so that is basically how it is, and the interval right here is actually 1444.4 USDT. Okay, so in every 1444.4 USDT, the bot actually takes profit for me, guys. That is basically what this means. All right, so when you are done setting all of this, the next step would be imputing the amount you actually want to use for trading right here. So let's say you actually want to use 100 USDT right now. Okay, you just simply set your trailing stop right here, guys. Okay, so mind you guys, before setting your trailing stop, you might have done your analysis to actually know exactly what you are doing. Okay, so as you can see, the trailing stop right here is between 3 to 99%. So you just simply set it right here. But guys, I'm not going to be setting right now because I've not done my analysis to know exactly how the trade is going to go. All right, so down below here that says create now, I'm going to hit on the create now button. As you can see right here, this is the summary of my transaction right here. It says total investment is 100 USDT. The price range is 97,000 to 110,000, and the grid right here 9. And it says that the interval is 1,444.4 USDT, and the profit slash grid is actually 1.33% to 1.48%. Okay, so that is basically how it is, guys. All right, so you can just simply hit on confirm down below here to actually confirm your trade. As you can see right here, it says create success. All right, so on here you get to see your profit and loss. As you can see right now, I'm currently on 0.0312 loss, as you can see right here. So you can easily see the details of your transaction right here, guys. Okay, can just simply come here to view your trades and just know exactly how your trade is going. And you can also terminate your trade over here. Let's say you actually want to terminate this trade right now, you don't want to trade anymore, you can just simply hit on terminate right here, guys. Okay, and then you just select the USDT right here and then you hit on confirm, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can terminate trades. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now, guys. Here we are. So that is basically what you need to know about setting up the spot grid bot, guys. Okay, and mind you guys, you can decide to set the trailing stop loss or not. It's actually more of a big deal to advanced traders and not to beginner traders. Okay, so you can go ahead to trade even without setting the trailing stop loss and you are still going to make profit. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So right here is the DCA bot. So I'm going to hit on DCA right now, guys. Okay, here we are, guys. So we actually talked about the DCA bot earlier on those videos, so I believe you now know what the DCA bot is about. Okay, so in summary, guys, what the DCA bot does for you is that it helps you invest in a particular cryptocurrency periodically using the dollar cost averaging method. All right, so that is basically what the DCA bot does for you. Okay, so I would actually recommend this if you are a beginner trader. All right, so how can you set this bot up? So it's quite easy, guys. As you can see up here, that is currency. You first of all need to select the currency at which you actually have your funds on the funding wallet. Okay, so for me, guys, I currently have funds on my USDT wallet. As you can see, I have about 100 USDT on my funding wallet. Okay, so that is it. So if I actually hit on USDT right here, you would see that I currently have no funds on my USDC. Okay, so I'm going to hit on USDT back here. So down below here that says BTC, you can just simply hit on the drop down arrow right here to select whatsoever cryptocurrency you want to use for investment. Okay, so for me, guys, I actually want to use BTC. Okay, so I'm going to exit this page right now. Here we are. So when you are done selecting the cryptocurrency you actually want to use for investment, all you simply do is impute the amount you actually want to use to trade periodically right here, guys. Okay, so let's say you actually want to use 20 USDT in trading BTC periodically. All you just simply do is hit on it and just type in 20, guys. All right, and down below here that says add crypto, you can simply add some cryptos as well. Okay, so this means that you can invest on multiple cryptocurrencies right here and not just Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm going to hit on add crypto right here, guys, and here we are. So I can select whichever crypto I actually want to add. Okay, so let's say I want to add let's say Ethereum. I'm going to type in Ethereum right here on the search bar. Okay, so it's going to search for Ethereum right now, guys. Okay, so this is Ethereum right here, so I'm going to hit on Ethereum. I'm also going to select let's say, okay, I'm going to hit on confirm first. Okay, I'm going to add again. All right, here we are. So I'm going to search for Solana, guys. Okay, SOL. I'm going to hit on the enter button right here. Okay, guys, so this is SOL right here, so I'm going to hit on SOL and just hit on confirm. Okay, so as you can see, I have 3 cryptos right here that I actually want to invest in. All right, I'm going to hit on 20 right here again, and as well 20 right here. So I'm currently investing 60 USDT on those cryptos right here. Okay, so that is basically how you can invest in several cryptocurrencies right here periodically using the DCA bot, guys. All right, so the next step would be setting your investment frequency. Okay, so if I actually hit on this stuff right here, as you can see, you have the 10 minutes investment frequency right here, the 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and so on, guys. Okay, so this actually means that this bot helps you invest in BTC in 1 day, Ethereum in 1 day, and SOL in 1 day. Okay, so let's say you actually want to select the 10 minutes right here. It actually invests for you with all the cryptocurrencies right here you selected in 10 minutes using the investment amount you provided right here, which is 20 20 20. Okay, so I'm going to set mine to, let's say, 1 week right now. I'm going to scroll down. So the next right here is checking your available funding. As you can see, I have about 100 USDT on my balance right now, guys. Okay, so that is it. So down below here that says max investment amount for DCA bot. As you can see right here, guys, it's actually optional. Okay, so what this actually means is that, let's say for instance, you want to use, let's say, 80 USDT as your max investment amount. This bot is not going to exceed anything above 80 USDT, guys. Okay, it's more like you are setting a stop loss. All right, so that is it. So when you're actually done doing all of this, I'm not going to set mine right now. So when you're actually done doing this, all you simply do is hit on this place down below here that says create now. Okay, and here again is a summary of your trade. As you can see, it says BTC 20, ETH 20, SOL 20. All right, so funding amount will transfer 60 USDT. Okay, investment frequency is 1 week, and the base currency is USDT. All right, so when you're actually done reviewing all of this, you can just simply hit on the create now button down below here. So I'm going to hit on create now, guys. Okay, so let's see. So as you can see, I just created a DCA bot right now. So you can just simply come over here to view your details. All right, so these are my current details right here, as you can see. All right, so I'm going to go back, guys. So this is it. So let's say you actually want to terminate your trade right now. You can just simply hit on the terminate button right here, and then you simply select USDT as the holding. As you can see, it says your current holdings will be converted into USDT based on the market price. You receive approximately 59.71 USDT. Okay, so that is it, guys. So you can just simply hit on confirm right here, and boom, guys, your trade has been terminated. Okay, so mind you, guys, trading with the DCA bot or the spot grid is not a short-term trade. Okay, it's actually a long-term trade. You just need to be patient until you actually make profit from the market. Okay, it's certain you're going to make profit if you are in for a long period of time and not a short period of time, guys. Okay, as you can see, just because this is actually a tutorial video, that is the reason why I'm currently in loss of 0.20%. Okay, I actually lost about 0.12 USDT right now as a result of this tutorial, guys, and this is because I terminated the trade very quickly. Okay, so for your case, it's not supposed to be like this. So I'm going to go back right now, guys. So that is basically how you can trade the DCA bots and as well the spot grid bots to actually maximize profit for yourself, guys. Okay, so before we come to the end of this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can transfer your funds from the spot accounts to the funding account. Okay, so how can you do that? So as you can see down here that says asset, I'm going to hit on asset right now, and right here that says transfer, I'm going to hit on transfer, guys. Okay, so here we are. So as you can see, I currently have about 59.9 USDT on my funding account. Okay, and right here on the unified trading account, which is also the spot account, I currently have nothing on it. Okay, so how do I know? So all you just simply need to do is this arrow right here that actually shows up and down. You just simply hit on the center arrow right here, and guys, it's going to toggle through. So as you can see, I currently have no USDT on my spot account. So let's say you have money on your spot account, you can just simply toggle it right here like I did, and boom, guys, you just simply hit on the amount of USDT you want to send over to your funding account down below here, and then you simply hit on the confirm button down below here, and boom, guys, the money goes in. So that is basically how you can transfer money from your spot account to your funding account. All right, so guys, with that being said, the basic question right now would be, is the DCA bot and as well the spot grid bot, are they both profitable bots? Yes, guys, the both bots are profitable bots based on the fact that they're actually automated and they can actually help you maximize profits within a long period of time. Okay, so that is basically all you need to know about the DCA bot and as well the spot grid. Okay, so guys, if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. I actually go out of my way right here on this channel to make sure I give you guys the best content ever. Okay, so all you just simply do to support is make sure you subscribe to this channel, like our videos, share our videos to actually reach out to more persons who might be in need of such amazing videos, guys. Okay, and if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, guys, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, turn on the bell icon, guys, so you always get notified each time amazing videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on this channel, guys. Okay, so thank you once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.